Hello friends, as we all know that Solidworks software is used worldwide for making 3D models of equipments, machines, cars, and so many items. So it is very important software. So I will present you very simple tutorials by which you can learn SolidWorks easily. I will present step-by-step tutorials. So I am going to present you my first tutorial, that is introduction. In this tutorial, I will tell you about the interface of SolidWorks. When you will open your SolidWorks, then this is the interface you will be seeing. So when you move towards the left side, then you will find these tabs: File, View, Tools, Help. So these are the shortcuts, and when you click on this arrow, then the name will appear. And on the right side, you will find these tabs: SolidWorks Resources, Design Library, File Explorer, View Palette, Appearance, Custom Properties, and so on. So if you want to make your first drawing, then you have to click on either this new, or you can click on file and then on this new. So when you click on new, this window will appear, and you can see that there are three parts are showing in this. First one is for making a single component, and if you want to assemble a set of components, then you have to select this. And if you want to make a 2D drawing, then you have to select this. So we will going to select this first part. Click OK. So as you click OK, you will see this type of interface. So in this interface, there are certain tabs which are shown here. Suppose features. So when you click on a particular tab, the commands which are related to that tab will appear here. So these commands are related to this features tab. And then as you click on sketch, the commands which are related to sketch will appear, and so on. So for making a 3D geometry, you will mostly be using features and sketch. And if you want to do some analysis, then these further commands will be used. Like we have SolidWorks add-ins. So with the help of this, we can perform some analysis like SolidWorks simulation, SolidWorks motion, and so on. So first we will want to set the units in which we will draw our drawing. So you can set unit by taking your mouse to the lower corner of the right side. So here when you click on this, SolidWorks provide you 4 types of units options: MKS, CGS, MMGS, IPS. So in my tutorials, I will mostly be using this MMGS, because as we all know that in engineering drawing, millimeter is mostly used as the unit of length. So I will select this. Now you will find this tab on your left side. So as you can see this, there are three planes: front plane, top plane, right plane. So you will be making your sketch on these three planes. So suppose we want to make our sketch on front plane, then we have to click on front plane. And here you will see four options. So click normal to, and then that particular plane on which you have to make your sketch will appear. Similarly, you can select top plane, right plane, etc. So select the appropriate plane and you can make the sketch on that plane. Then you can see some options here like this: zoom to fit, so then zoom to area, and so on. So as we will proceed in our tutorials, we will see the use of all these icons which I have shown here. So with that, I will end this first tutorial. In the second tutorial, we will make some sketch, and I will tell you about the commands which we will be using when we will make some sketch. So thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe. Thank you very much.